Right, so there's this one thing which if you do is going to increase your results, the amount of progress you make every single day. It's very simple. I want you to look at your day and the things you have to do. And what is the most important thing to do? Maybe the most important, or two things which are the most important, right? And if you don't do those two things or one thing, that means your day is practically wasted. What are those two things? That if you don't do, your day is wasted. Pick those two things, spend more time on those things, and less time on these kind of things. What kind of things? You know, productivity hacks. Like, you listen, you don't need to wake up and you don't need to wake up and then be doing visualization for 5 minutes. You don't need to be waking up and doing all of these different kind of things which people tell you to do. Listen, these things have their place, but it's about what you want. If you want more progress, all you have to do is just work on what is important, right? Because a lot of times you're lying to yourself. Oh, I'm gonna do this. Maybe I'm gonna visualize. Oh, I'm gonna read this book, which I won't even, and I won't even remember what I just read in the book, right? And I'm gonna do these things, and then I'm gonna focus on the thing which is actually important, and you won't, you're not actually even focused on that. You're kind of distracted. You do a little bit of work, and then you're using your phone, and then you know things like that. So you cut all of these things and you get progress. Very simple. It's not complicated. There's, this is how I want you to look at your day if you want to make progress with whatever you're trying to get better in. Two things or one thing you pick. If you don't do these things, let's say two things, if you don't do these two things, your day is wasted. Just focus on those two things, forget everything else, because that is what matters. Because if your day is wasted if you don't do these two things, what does that show? That these are the things which are important. So you only focus on these things. I'm not saying don't do anything else, but most of your time and your energy and your focus should be on this specific thing, whatever it is, which is going to get you the result that you want. So yeah, that's that.